As the unseen gears behind every successful business, bookkeepers bear a responsibility far greater than crunching numbers. Their diligent work creates a financial map of the organization, highlighting where it stands and where it might go next. Bookkeepers must navigate the shifting landscape of compliance, where the terrain is marked by rules, regulations, and standards that vary from one jurisdiction to another. So let's dive into some of the key compliance requirements that every bookkeeper should be aware of. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Now, when it comes to bookkeeping, the integrity of financial reports is paramount. Under the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002, companies are required to maintain accurate financial records. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountants estimates that a shocking 85% of all financial fraud involves some form of bookkeeping irregularity. There's a saying in our world, every number tells a story. But what's a story without accuracy and consistency? The Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, or GAAP, require financial statements to be consistent and comparable across periods. The Financial Accounting Standards Board reports that over 70% of Fortune 500 companies consistently adhere to GAAP. Next up, we venture into the realm of taxes. It's the Internal Revenue Service's expectation that businesses correctly calculate and timely file their taxes. In 2021, an estimated 20% of small businesses faced penalties or fines due to inaccurate bookkeeping. Navigating the sea of compliance isn't just about avoiding penalties and ensuring accuracy. It's also about transparency and confidentiality. The Data Protection Act mandates protection of personal data, meaning a bookkeeper must ensure they're not disclosing sensitive information. According to the Federal Trade Commission, in 2022, nearly 5,000 businesses faced fines for non-compliance with data protection laws. Lastly, remember, one of the greatest assets of a bookkeeper is their ability to adapt. The world of compliance is like a river, always moving, always changing. As the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners points out, about 75% of businesses changed their internal procedures following compliance updates in the last 5 years. Compliance is a journey, not a destination. So stay aware, stay informed, and remember, every number tells a story, and every story matters in the world of bookkeeping. If you want to learn more about the basics of bookkeeping, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the compliance requirements mentioned in this video? Do any of them seem overwhelming? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business compliance information.